Hey guys, welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be plowing our potatoes. Let me show you a bad way. If we don't do something with them now, look how big they've gotten. This morning it was too wet, or yesterday, but today they're going to. For those of you who have not been watching our channel, the reason Jace walks behind this tractor is because the stabilizers are broken.
Stabilizer on that tractor.
Oh, okay. There is no stabilizer on that tractor. So he walks behind it to keep it straight. So, big, strong man. And so what we'll probably do is come in with some hose and pull dirt to the potatoes and get all that grass out. Steppy's singing.
I'm shocked at how spotty they came up.
They did come up spotty, didn't they?
Yeah. I don't know why.
You okay, buddy? Don't let it whoop you.
Should have to take a fit. Huh? Should have to take a fit.
That Massey's been good to us though, hasn't it?
Oh yeah.
There's more than 5 rows. Here, come this way because he's going to come up that one.
See, this one is spotty, that one's a little spotty, that one's spotty, that one's spotty. That one took pretty good. Had a little spot.
There's 3 rows right there.
That one had a little spot.
That last row was...
That Kennebec, the Kennebec one was real spotty.
Yeah. Ooh-wee, Massey is overworked and underpaid.
It does it every time.
Bless his heart.
I can't figure out nothing to do but just keep adding water and driving.
Okay.
Johnny, boy, they play.
So there it is. We've plowed them. They'll kill most of that grass in there. Do we need to pull dirt to it now? Or wait?
Wouldn't hurt.
Well, I guess we'll get out here and pull dirt to it now. Let me go get my hoe.
Down here?
Can you see me?
Yeah.
What are we doing, Beckett? Huh? Tell them what we're doing.
No, I'm doing.
We're hoeing, pulling dirt to potatoes. Yep.
Also this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 potatoes going over here. So, hey.
Hey. Hey.
We're doing town. Gary, Uncle Jay County.
Uncle Jace is hoeing.
Papa.
Okay, look out.
Nanny. And Johnny boy.
And Johnny Boy. And for those that don't know who Johnny Boy is, hold your fingers out of the way. Johnny Boy is there. You gotta hold. Everybody's working, aren't they, Beckett?
Yep.
Everybody's pulling dirt, mounding up potatoes, aren't you? Everybody's working. Good. Good job. You gonna keep videoing?
Sure.
Okay. So we've gone down and we've pulled dirt to everything and mounded it up.
Should be all they need right here. Might come back and
One more time, mound them, you think?
touch them up just a little.
Yeah.
Probably not.
Yeah. Whew.
You know, if you got a few weeds.
Yeah.
Mama.
Whoa. So that didn't take us but just a minute to do all those rows. He pulled dirt there. Whew. Yep. That looks good now. That dirt's rich. Like I said, we have some spotty areas, but that's okay. We have plenty.
Especially on hoe day.
Yeah. It's no fun hoeing alone.
Right.
So that dirt's soft. Denise is earthing. Look at her. Oh, look at those feet. Nice. 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 Jason's going to come down here. We have some squash planted. He's going to pull dirt to it, kind of hoe around it. Well, that looks good, guys. Be careful with that, baby. Looks good, sister. We got a shape, aren't we?
Ain't the best ones I ever had, but
No.
as far as coming up, a few spots here. This last row is
Kennebecs.
Kennebecs.
One row or two? The last two rows. No, those are the same. Those are the same. Look at the leaves. Well, I don't know. It's hard to tell.
Andy and them calls them Kennebecs.
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 Yeah.